Smart meters are here, and they come with a handy in-home display which shows you how much energy you're using. So you can see when you're using a lot and work out where small changes could help you to use less. They could also help with household budgeting because you'll be able to see in near real time just how much you're spending on your energy in pounds and pence. And that'll help you choose the right supplier and the tariff that works for you. With a smart meter, you'll receive accurate bills, so you'll only pay for what you've actually used, which means estimated bills will be a thing of the past. There are also certain tariffs out there to help you save money based on when you use your energy. These time-of-use tariffs could mean that energy is offered at a reduced price, or even for free, during times when demand is low or excess energy is available. So you could end up paying less to mow the lawn, charge your devices, or use the washing machine. It's all about paving the way to a more energy-efficient future.